Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cheesy E's Kitchen, and today we're gonna cover two different sugar-free barbecue sauces that you can use on your barbecue and still stay in ketosis. Coming up. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for hanging in there. I just want to take a couple minutes today to go over two products that I found on Amazon. The links will be in the description below if you want to check them out. I know it's hard for a lot of people that are on keto to barbecue, so I wanted to try to find some different alternatives as far as barbecue sauces, because I know a lot of sauces and rubs typically have sugar in them, so it's really hard to find something. So I kind of went out on a limb and ordered two different ones. We'll try them out. I've got some pulled pork that I just bought at the grocery store, and then I also have a fatty that I'm gonna cook. The fatty I'll make a video on, and it'll probably be posted sometime early next week, maybe this weekend if I'm lucky. Depends on how much time I have to film and edit. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. This first one that I got is a different type of barbecue sauce. I've never had it before, but apparently if you're from Alabama, you know about some white barbecue sauce. So for anybody that doesn't know, white barbecue sauce is a staple in Alabama. They typically use it on chicken and pork, stuff like that, white meats. And it is a mayo and vinegar base. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. So this is Ivory barbecue sauce, and it's made by a company called Lilly's Q. It's Northern Alabama white is what it says. This is a tangy, true Northern Alabama with a pinch of cayenne. So it sounds good. I like mayo, so we're gonna try it out. I'll do a taste test here in just a second. We'll go through the ingredients. Soybean oil, cider vinegar, water, egg yolk, and contains less than 2% of honey. Probably not super good on keto, but I don't think it's going to be anything that I'm particularly going to worry about. Distilled vinegar, salt, lemon juice concentrate, black pepper, lime juice. Let me see, salt, cornstarch, cayenne pepper, xanthan gum, and organic gum blend. Not really sure what gum stuff is. Xanthan gum is a thickener common to a lot of keto diet recipes, so that one I definitely know what it is. But anyway, it looks crazy. All right guys, so let's go ahead and hop in and do a little taste test on these two barbecue sauces, the Ivory barbecue sauce and the Guy's award-winning barbecue sauce. We'll go with the Ivory first. We'll see what that tastes like, and then we'll move on to the other one. So we'll just pour out a little bit into the cap. We'll see how this tastes. Oh wow, that's different. Definitely good. It's different. Definitely taste the mayo in there, which I like mayo, so that's good. Got a vinegary taste to it. So if you don't like vinegar, it's probably not a good option, but I do. So it's very good there. And then definitely taste the cayenne as well. The cayenne's kind of a quick hit. It's nothing that's long lasting or anything like that. I think it'll make for an interesting taste on some pork, so we'll try it whenever we do the smoked pulled pork here in a couple days, and we'll see how that goes. Lilly Q's Ivory barbecue sauce. All right, so we'll try this one next. The Guy's award-winning barbecue sauce, original flavor. This one is sugar-free, so we'll just pour out a little bit into the cap. I don't know if you can see that. We'll try this one out. Oh wow, that's really good. That's super good. It's got like sweet, definitely taste the sweetness in this one. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, but nothing powerful, but it really reminds me of any normal barbecue sauce that you would have that's not sugar-free. So this is gonna be awesome, I think, on the fatty that I'm gonna cook here in just a little bit. Like I said, we'll post a video of the fatty cook probably within the next couple of days, just depending on how long it takes me to edit. But that concludes this taste test. We'll see you guys back on the next video. Peace. And I almost forgot, if you guys don't want to miss the future fatty video or the pulled pork video, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the little bell icon next to it to make sure that you don't miss those. And we'll see you on the next one.